Kelley Blue Book, a guide for vehicle information, statistics, and resale, provided a list of vehicles with a low reliability score based on consumer data.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, go ahead and hit the like button if you caught that reference.
SUVs have increased in popularity over the past 5 years due to their functionality. They have become increasingly popular for larger families, frequent travelers, and those needing extra vehicle space. However, major benefits that keep buyers wanting to purchase or upgrade their SUV include practicality. SUVs are notorious for providing more space for passengers and cargo. These vehicles can handle more weight, allowing your SUV to operate at its best while safely securing your belongings and providing room for long travel days. The major attraction to SUVs is that they are durable and can withstand harsh conditions while keeping the driver and passengers safe. Due to their heaviness and rise off the ground, these vehicles are easy to control in tough conditions and can handle impact. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration annually records the safety of new vehicle models through its 5-star safety rating program. The top 4 vehicles that received a 5-star rating for crash, protection, and rollover safety that extends beyond federal regulation were SUVs. Towing capabilities. Whether you are an avid camper or want the ability to tow an item in the future, most SUVs come with the capability to do so. With their towing ability, this can reduce the costs of renting a truck or investing in another vehicle if towing is an essential part of your lifestyle. Most SUVs contain all-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, making towing more manageable and stress-free with its extra pulling power. The worst SUV options of 2024. Though there are many pros to owning an SUV, finding the right one is essential to having a good experience. Kelley Blue Book, a guide for vehicle information, statistics, and resale, provided a list of vehicles with a low reliability score based on consumer data. The lowest rating SUVs of 2024 include Jeep Wrangler. For decades, the Jeep Wrangler has been a popular SUV, and many dream of owning it one day. With its style and removable roof and doors, this SUV provides a look and feel of adventure. However, many problems with this model make it unreliable and are steering potential buyers away. Wranglers have common transmission issues in various models, causing owners to pay for a replacement transmission or invest in a new vehicle. Wranglers also struggle with sealing out water and handling road obstructions, such as potholes, making your Jeep susceptible to significant repairs. The most concerning factor that makes Jeep Wranglers one of the worst SUV options due to their rollover rate. In a crash test involving a Jeep Wrangler, it was found that the SUV partially tipped after hitting a barrier, decreasing its safety score significantly, as the tipping or rollover of the vehicle can cause additional life-threatening injury. Another popular Jeep model is the Grand Cherokee. This vehicle's third-row seating options, extra space, and sleek look make it visually appealing to potential buyers. However, the 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee is already considered unreliable and one of the worst SUV models on the market. Since its release, the Jeep Grand Cherokee has had 3 major recalls that impair its safety. In February, the Grand Cherokee recalls included loss of vehicle control, high beam malfunctions, and a faulty windshield defrosting and defogging system. These recalls hinder the driver's safety, making them prone to accidents due to mechanical and visibility issues. Volvo XC60. The Volvo XC60 looks like a reliable and efficient SUV with 247 horsepower and 25 miles per gallon. However, this is one of the worst SUV options on the market, as its older models are deemed unreliable. In past Volvo XC60 models, many problems have yet to be addressed. These common problems include software issues, brake issues, water leaks around the windshield, and excessive oil consumption. Vibration at high speeds. These problems have been present in past Volvo XC60 models, and consumers who own the 2024 model report the same issues. The common problems in the Volvo XC60 can result in expensive repairs and lead to needing a newer vehicle sooner. Volkswagen Taos. As one of the smallest SUVs on the market, the Volkswagen Taos provides room for cargo and passengers while being easy to navigate. However, consumer ratings note some drawbacks of the Volkswagen Taos, including transmission issues, cheap interior design, infotainment issues, and lacks essential features to meet price point. Consumers' major complaint regarding Volkswagen Taos is that the price point does not match the quality of the vehicle, making consumers opt for different SUV options. When looking for an SUV that fits your needs, it is easy to get caught up in the style and appearance of any vehicle. However, it is vital to research and ensure that you make the best SUV choice for you, your family, and your lifestyle. You want a reliable and affordable SUV that will guarantee safety and efficiency. Knowing the worst SUV possibilities on the market will help you understand what factors to consider that will hinder your overall SUV experience.
He ain't lying.
But wait a minute. You didn't smash the bell and press the like button. Blasphemy.